Welcome back friends, welcome to the GIS Station channel. Today we are going to discuss how to convert lat long from DD to DMS. For our daily GIS work, we need to convert lat long from DD to DMS for any purpose. And it will take lots of time. Generally we use online tools to convert lat long, or we have used Google Earth to convert lat long from one format to another format. And it will take lots of time because we have to convert the lat longs one by one. So here today we are going to learn how to convert lat long from DD to DMS in QGIS quickly in a large scale, and also we are using the Excel method to convert lat long from DD to DMS. So without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Welcome back friends. So we are in the magical world of QGIS. So first of all we need to add some points in our QGIS file so that we can extract lat long from them. So I'm going to add a base layer, that is our world base layer, and now we are randomly add some points over here. I'm going to add a temporary layer called points and change the geometrical type as points, and add a attribute field called name. Add a field and now click on OK. And by using the add point feature, I'm going to add some point feature in my workplace. So give name as point sample point 1, that is my sample point 1, sample 1. Add another point called sample 2 and add another called sample 3. It depends on you how much points you want to add, or it depends on as per your work. So I'm going to generate the lat and long of these specific points. So first of all save the layer, and now I'm going to add a geometrical analysis called add geometrical attribute, by which it's automatically calculate the lat and long of the specific points which I have added in my workplace. So for the time being leave it as it is, and now click on run. It will create a temporary layer. As you can see, it will create a temporary layer on your QGIS platform, and if you check the attribute table you can find it successfully added two columns called x coordinate and y coordinate, and the all the 3 points which I have added in my QGIS platform, all the lat and long are added in my attribute table. So I want to convert the lat long from degree decimal to degree minute second. For that purpose you need to install a plugin which is called add. Okay, for that purpose I need to install a plugin called coordinate points to attribute table. I'm going to give the plugin link in description. You can download the plugin from the description down below, and after downloading the plugin in zip format you need to install the plugin by going to plugin option, and from here you need to select manage and install plugin, and then just browse your downloaded file location and select the file, select the plugin, and now click on open and just click on install plugin. By installing the plugin, I have already installed the plugin, so I am not doing that. You need to install the plugin, and after installing the plugin successfully, it will give you a message that you successfully installed the plugin on your QGIS platform, and then this type of icon you will get in your QGIS. Okay, after installing the plugin you need to select the specific layer for that for which you need to convert or you want to get the lat long in degree minute second format. So for the time being I'm going to delete the layer which I have generated recently, and now I have only one layer called points, and if I check the attribute table you can find there are no lat and long available in this layer. So I'm going to add the layer in degree minute second format. Click this icon which I have installed recently, and select the output location. I'm going to select output location and give a file name called dms2 or dms1, and select the coordinate reference system CRS, and now click on add. And the thing which you have must notice that don't select the projected coordinate system, you have to select the geometrical coordinate reference system. Okay, and then click on add, click on yes. Okay, now if you check your table, you will find that there is another 2 column inserted in your attribute table. One is for degree, minute, second of your specific point, and another one is degree, decimal, location points of your specific points. Okay, now you have to export the file as CSV file, so that you will get Excel file and you can use it anywhere as required. So that is one method. By using this simple plugin, you can convert directly any coordinate from degree, decimal to degree, minute, second in QGIS. And another thing, if you have a file like CSV file containing thousands of coordinates in degree, minute, second in degree, decimal format, so in that type of scenario, you have to add the CSV file by adding this option, add decimate text layer, and after adding that, you need to just apply the same method. By applying the same method, you will easily get the easily convert the degree, decimal, location points to degree, minute, seconds. Okay, and another thing is that now we are using Excel. By using Excel, you can also do the same. I have a separate Excel file. I'm also going to give the file link in the description down below. You can check the file there. And after downloading the file, if you need to just paste the lat long here in degree, decimal format. If we check, you can just give the dd lat and dd long, and you will get the it converts the degree, decimal to degree, minute, second within a second. Okay, these are the 2 methods. By using, you can easily convert degree, decimal coordinate points to degree, minute, seconds. Okay, and if there is any error, any type of confusion you have, don't worry, just give me a message in my WhatsApp number. I am going to give my WhatsApp number down below in the description. You can check it from there. Okay friends, and thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and also ring the bell icon, and also do comment your views about my videos. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.